Hi guys, it is Jen. What is up? How is your day? It is Saturday, the 4th of August. I might be doing something really stupid tomorrow, but it's fine. I wanted to do this for a couple months now, but my hair wasn't blonde enough to do it. So from the title of this video, I don't know if it's gonna turn out good, you know, whatever, but I'm dyeing my hair pink, and this lighting's so bad, I'm sorry. So I'm at CVS, so let's go get it. There was only 2 left, and that's all I wanted. So I got 2 in the color Soft Pink 300. It says it lasts 4 to 8 shampoos. I'm not doing it today because I want to do it with my sister, and she's not home. Someone just pulled right in front of me. This is so awkward. Okay, I'm gonna go now. I'm sweating. It is, what, like 80 degrees here, and I'm in a huge sweater. It's fine. Okay. Great. I'm covering the sun. I'm home right now, got my hair dye, and I will see you guys tomorrow dyeing my hair. Hello guys, I am back. It's the next day. My hair is so frizzy, I'm so sorry. So I have 2 boxes. Oh, also my sister isn't helping me. Whatever. Here's the tube. Oh my god, this, oh, it comes with a brush. How cute is that? Should I have a bowl? So it shows like 3 blonde tones. Okay, I'm guessing I'm the middle one, so it's gonna look like that. I don't know. I can't believe I'm doing this. There's no going back. I mean, yes, I could stop right now because I didn't even start, but you know, no, there's no going back. So we're just gonna do it and pray. Oh my god, I'm just gonna go for it. It washes out, right? Like, I'll be fine. Right? Okay, I'm going. We're just gonna do it. I feel like the brush is like harder. But that might just be me. Yeah, we're gonna use our hands. Oh, already got it on my neck. Oh my god, I'm missing so much. I should have done this in the beginning of the video, but disclaimer, I don't know how to do hair. I've box dyed my hair a few times, but like, just like, you know. Okay, I finished dyeing it. It is 7:07, so the bottom layer has been on for like 20 minutes. I only used 1 tube. I'm surprised. Well, I don't know if I'm surprised because I have really thin hair and there's not a lot of it. I don't know how to leave this on, how long to leave this on for. I don't want it too pink, you know what I mean? I don't know, maybe another 5 minutes. All right, guys, I'm going to wash out the paint. I will see you after. Hi, okay, I just showered. I have a feeling it's like really light, like really light pink. Interesting. Since it's like 8 o'clock at night, I'm not gonna do my hair tonight. I will show you guys the finished hair tomorrow. Peace. Hello, it is the next day. Hi, okay, so this is the finished hair. I love it so much. The underneath is like way more pink than the top because I left that on longer than the top. Maybe next time I'll leave the top on longer. I don't know. I feel like it could be a little pinker, which is cool. I only used one box, so I could definitely do it again or like touch up if it starts fading. So yeah, I really enjoy this. Definitely recommend the L'Oreal Colorista. I heard like the blues and purples fade like really weird into like a green and like they can't get it out of your hair. So maybe not those colors. 100% recommend the pink. Yes, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up if you did and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already because you really should. That is it for this video. See you in my next one.
Don't you know you can change your hair and you can change your clothes, you can change your mind.